Welcome, celestial explorers. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the cosmos, not through modern telescopes, but through the eyes of an ancient civilization. Get ready to discover the wonders of ancient Chinese astronomy. For millennia, the Chinese civilization has been renowned for its profound wisdom, rich cultural heritage, and groundbreaking scientific achievements. Among these, their contributions to astronomy shine exceptionally bright. In ancient China, the stars were more than just distant lights. They were seen as a direct link to the heavens, reflecting the will of the gods and influencing earthly affairs. This belief propelled a deep, sustained interest in celestial observation. From meticulous stargazing to the development of sophisticated calendar systems, the ancient Chinese laid a crucial foundation for astronomical knowledge. Their detailed records and innovative instruments were truly ahead of their time. The ancient Chinese were master observers of the night sky. They developed a unique system for mapping stars and constellations, different from the Western zodiac, but equally intricate and meaningful. Early Chinese astronomers utilized ingenious instruments like the gnomon to measure the sun's shadow and determine solstices. Later, more complex armillary spheres allowed them to accurately track celestial movements. They also built impressive observatories, some of the earliest in the world, dedicated solely to watching the heavens. Their celestial maps were incredibly detailed, recording the positions of hundreds of stars. They identified unique constellations, such as the four symbols, each representing a season and a cardinal direction. They also meticulously documented transient phenomena, like comets and supernovae, often centuries before Western astronomers. Within the imperial court, astrologers and astronomers played a vital role. They were responsible for interpreting celestial omens, advising the emperor on auspicious times for major events, and maintaining the accuracy of the calendar, a task of immense importance for agricultural cycles and state rituals. Perhaps one of the most practical and profound contributions of ancient Chinese astronomy was the development of their calendar system. It wasn't just about marking days, it was the backbone of their society. Unlike purely lunar or solar calendars, the Chinese developed a sophisticated lunisolar calendar. This system harmonized both the cycles of the moon and the sun, ensuring agricultural practices aligned with seasonal changes, a critical factor for their agrarian society. Their precise observations allowed them to accurately predict solar and lunar eclipses, a feat of advanced astronomical understanding. These predictions were crucial, as eclipses were often seen as significant omens, and their prediction brought great prestige to the imperial court. The calendar's accuracy was paramount. It dictated planting and harvesting seasons, ensuring food security for the vast empire. It also scheduled imperial ceremonies and public works, serving as the temporal framework for all aspects of governance and daily life. Beyond calendars, the ancient Chinese made numerous other innovations and recorded significant astronomical discoveries that demonstrated their deep observational skills and scientific rigor. They were among the first to systematically record the appearances of comets, noting their paths and characteristics. Their observations of guest stars, later identified as supernovae, provided invaluable data for understanding stellar evolution. They even documented sunspots, millennia before Galileo. The development of the armillary sphere, a complex instrument used to measure celestial coordinates, and the celestial globe, a representation of the heavens, showcased their engineering prowess and their desire to visualize and understand the cosmos in 3 dimensions. The knowledge gleaned from these observations and instruments was meticulously recorded and transmitted through generations, forming a continuous astronomical tradition that spanned over 2 millennia. This long-term data collection was unique and highly valuable. The legacy of ancient Chinese astronomy is profound, leaving an indelible mark on both scientific understanding and cultural identity. Their meticulous records of celestial events provided crucial data that later aided Western astronomers in understanding phenomena like stellar evolution and the long-term patterns of comets. Their innovative calendar systems also influenced neighboring cultures. Even today, elements of the ancient Chinese calendar system, like the Lunar New Year, are deeply woven into Chinese culture and celebrated worldwide. The zodiac animals, derived from their celestial observations, continue to be a beloved part of their heritage. And so, our journey through the cosmic insights of ancient China comes to a close. We've seen how their profound connection to the stars shaped their society, their science, and their very understanding of existence. They were pioneers in celestial observation, developing sophisticated instruments and meticulous records. Their lunisolar calendar was a masterpiece of precision, vital for governance and agriculture. And their documented discoveries, like supernovae and sunspots, were centuries ahead of their time. We hope this video has sparked your own curiosity about the night sky and the incredible ingenuity of ancient civilizations. The universe holds endless wonders, and the past often holds surprising keys to understanding them. Keep looking up and keep exploring.